Welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to check whether the Facebook Pixel has been installed correctly on this website or not. For that, we need to go to Google and search for Facebook Pixel Helper. And this is the Chrome plugin which you need to install. So I have already installed it in my Chrome browser. So you need to install, okay. Once you install, so you will find the icon like this here, okay. So I'll close this and I'll go to my website, and this is the icon you will find here, and you need to click on this. So you can see one pixel found on www.nstinfotech.com. So this is the ID which we have added on our website. So we need to cross check. Okay, for that I'll go to my notepad and I'll just cross check. So this is the ID which I have added on my website. It is exactly the same. So the pixel has been installed correctly on the website. And one more way of checking it is checking the view page source. Right click and just click on view page source and search for Facebook pixel. Okay. So here it is. You can see the ID here. So these are the two ways where you can check whether the Facebook pixel has been installed correctly or not. But the best way is to install Chrome extension Facebook Pixel Helper. And once I go to my Facebook account, and if you refresh the page, you will see a pop-up like this. So welcome to the new event manager. We have updated event manager to make it easier for you to understand and manage the data that you have shared. Click get started to see what's changed. So if you want, you can just click on get started and see the changes, but I'll click show later. So this is the dashboard overview. Here you can see no activity was received in the selected time frame. So we have just installed the pixel, so it will take some time to collect the data. So this is it for this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.